Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raihan, a freelancer and content creator, and I hope you guys are doing really great and you are having good time. And today 2nd January I am recording this video, and for all of you guys, happy new year. So those who love my content and those who subscribe my channels, I am really thankful to all of you guys. In this new year 2024, I promised you guys that I can make more and more helpful and supportive content for you. I will make those videos that gonna help you. I will not kill your time. Okay, all right, so let's jump into our today's video. So today's video gonna very helpful, and especially want to promote your business, like you are running any physical product business or digital business, whatever it is. And if you want to promote your YouTube channel or any videos, so short video gonna help you a lot. Okay, and there are lots of YouTube channel, they are only based on short video, YouTube short video, and YouTube shorts, they are getting revenue, and YouTube already has announced, and lots of videos out there, and people are also making affiliate income and also the YouTube ad revenue, and it's completely free. You just need a Canva account. I am using Canva right now, pro account, so don't worry, you will just trial for 1 month and you will get all of the premium section. That's gonna help you a lot. And I'm going to use ChatGPT completely free. So today I will show you how we can create hundreds of motivational short video. Okay, YouTube short video. Also you can also upload it on your Facebook reels or Instagram reels, no problem at all. And not only Facebook, Instagram, you can also upload your Twitter or Pinterest and all about the social media platform. Don't worry about it. First of all, our first step is we have to set up our ChatGPT account. So you can use your Gmail account for your Canva and ChatGPT. So you don't need to any business email. So you can use your Gmail account. Okay, so just create your free ChatGPT account. So go to chat.openai.com and you can create your free account. Also you can I know you all of you know that how to create Canva accounts, so just do it. Okay, our first step is we have to generate the content, that's mean motivation. Okay, so first of all, here you can see you can click new chat and you have to write a prompt. That's mean you have to command it. Okay, so type a message. That's mean I need 100 motivational quotes. Okay, so write 100 motivational quotes. I just wrote it here, write 100 motivational quotes for YouTube short video. So this is how you can write. Okay, so you can write as you want, so no problem. Also you can find any other prompt how to write perfectly on ChatGPT. So let's click on send message, and ChatGPT will give us a hundreds of motivational quotes already. ChatGPT is writing here, you can see 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, so let's wait and we'll collect this complete very soon. 82. Okay, all right, so here you can see 81, so 82, and it's gonna stop. So don't worry, just click on here, continue generating, so it will generate again. So this is how you can write any quotes, any motivational speech. All right, here you can see 99 and on 100. Wow, fantastic. So we have 100 motivational quotes. All right, so it was our second step. So our second step is done. So let's jump into our Canva account. Okay, so in Canva you will see, you might want to try, and here we can see mobile video. Okay, so if you want to create any short video, reels video, so that's video gonna help you. And also you can create a reels video. Okay, Instagram reels video. Okay, so today I will show you mobile video, so that's gonna support all the social media network, I think so. So let's click on. All right, so here you can see the lots of template out there, but which template is perfect, so that's gonna fit. Okay, so that's why we have to search. Okay, so how we can search it? So let's see, we can select motivational quote, just write it here, and you will see lots of template out. So as I mentioned, this is my pro account. If you want to use Canva free, so maybe you will not see this kind of template, but you will see some templates, so that's gonna work for you, no problem. And also you can make it yourself as it is. Okay, but if you want to create bulk content, that's I am going to show you. You must need a Canva Pro. That's mean you have to trial 1 month. So here you can see this is the template. I think it's gonna really amazing. I am going to click this template. Okay, so click on this, and here you can see it's total 5 seconds. Oh sorry, it's total 15 seconds. So we don't need any 15 seconds video. Just click on it, and also you can just put 6 seconds. That's mean perfect. So our video, each and every shorts would be just 6 seconds. Okay, also you can also increase it. How you can? Just click on the time framework, and here you can see, so you can also input 10 seconds. Perfect, but I'm going to select only for 7 seconds. Okay, all right, so here you can see this is how it's look like, but we have to customize this. Okay, we have to customize this, and here you can see daily motivation. Just scroll it and take it above and move it above, and here you can see the section. It's really good, I liked it. So its size increased. Let's increase it, and here you can see the text format. Alright, so text format should be there, and alright, I'm going to remove the content and write it text. Okay, write it text, and we can reduce the size because you will see lots of content is really bigger than this size. That's why. And also we can check, and we can also remove this, no problem. Here you can see. Okay, so our third step is done. We have to design our template. Okay, that's mean our content should be appear here. So let's click on the left bar, and here you can see the bulk creation. Click on bulk creation, and here you can see enter data manually. Okay, all right, so here you can see the 2 options available there: enter data manually, upload CSV. Okay, so I have already 2 videos, and I showed there how you can create CSV file and upload it, but in this video I am going to show you enter manual data. So let's click on enter manual data, and here you can see the name and email section, and you will see some information about there. But don't worry, I'm going to remove it and give it text name. Go back to ChatGPT, and here you can see. All right, so just grab all the 100 codes. All right, and just copy and come here and just paste it here. This is how it's look like. Okay, so also we can remove this. That's mean just remove this. So this step is done, and let's scroll down, and here you can see done. Okay, so when you click on done, it will appear as a text. Okay, so next step is just click on here text, right click, and click on right connect data, and it will appear as a text. So click on text. So that's mean our text will be appear in this text. So click on continue. Here you can see all hundreds of codes over there, and we are very close to make hundreds of shorts videos just within 1 click, and it will gonna take some seconds. That's mean, so generate 100 designs. Click on generate it, and it will automatically create 100 shorts video. That's amazing. It's already done. Here you can see it's already done, all the hundreds of shorts video over there. Okay, so let's check one of them how it's look like. So first one is its text, it's huge, so you can reduce it. How we can do this? Okay, perfect. That's mean. Okay, so let's click on here, and here we can see also you can add some background music. Okay, you can also add it. So don't worry, you can also add it from your short video. That's mean when you upload YouTube shorts, you can add some music over there. So let's download it. Okay, so our 100 short is ready, and we have to just download it and click on share. So I'm going to download hundreds of shorts video. So let's download. Here you can see quality is 180 HD, perfect, and all the pages. So click on download, and it will download as a zip file. Okay, all right, here you can see it's downloaded as a motivational quotes MP4, and total file size is 707 megabyte. Okay, so I believe you got clear concept and tutorials how you can make YouTube shorts video using ChatGPT and Canva. So if you want to promote your business, if you want to get more subscribers, so short video gonna help you a lot. It's 100% proved. So if you love this content, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I will come back with another video. Stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata. Bye bye.